here's the walkway up to our hotel. They do offer a shuttle, but we're just gonna walk it right now.
Yep.
It's very pretty grounds though.
Beautiful.
And here's a shot of the front hotel.
And it was only about a 15-minute walk.
Yeah,
So,
not bad at all.
No.
We'll drive you to the front of the property in that golf cart right there. It's very pretty in here.
Hello, and welcome to our room at the Meliá Parkside in Shanghai. As we said earlier, this is only about a 15-minute walk from downtown Disney, or DisneyTown, whatever they call it here. I always get confused. But this is the entryway, and it is fantastic. So come on in.
Yeah.
So over here, you have a little area for your coats and your shoes.
Yeah.
And just like everywhere else, they give you slippers.
Yeah.
There's a safe.
Yeah, there's a safe, some shelves there.
Yeah, I mean,
This place is
gigantic.
huge
Yeah.
for what we paid.
I'm stunned.
We didn't know what to expect because we couldn't find any reviews really or videos on this place, but...
Yeah. So you walk in through here, and on your right is the tub and the shower, and they're completely separate, which is fantastic. So huge tub.
Huge tub.
Huge tub. And the shower even, I mean, this is insane.
I know.
This thing is
Oh,
absolutely
look, and it has like
insane.
blinds. You can like cover it up or open it up if you want to let light in there.
I mean,
Also, everything's beautifully tiled in here.
yes. And
It even
there's
has
a
like
huge-
this tiling out here.
There's a floor-to-ceiling mirror here.
Yep.
There's actually even a scale.
Wow. I've never had a scale
In a hotel? No, no. Then this is the toilet. There's a phone in there too, I guess, if something happens and you need help.
Wow. That is crazy. A little trash can and a picture of Big Ben.
There you go. Big Ben, kids. Parliament. I mean, these doors are fantastic.
I know. Like the doors are super
I
fancy.
mean, look at this.
I know.
And honestly, I think this was about half the price of staying actually on property.
Yeah.
So.
And we're closer than we were in the Hong Kong hotel to the park.
Yes.
Yeah, and also this freaking door to our place is huge.
And heavy.
Yeah, it's like a freaking door to to a house.
Yeah.
And you got like this giant, nice little peephole.
Then you walk in here, and there is a gigantic bed.
The bed is
The
huge.
ceiling is vaulted.
Yep.
There's a little mini bar here.
Yeah, a mini bar, some drinks in there.
A huge television. I mean, plenty of drawer space if you like to put your clothes away. Like, it's insane. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's absolutely insane. There's a table. There's a chair. I mean, and we have a balcony, you guys.
Yeah.
Like,
We never get this at a hotel.
okay, there we go. And
It's a
then
screen door too, so in the summer you can like let some air in.
we seriously have a balcony, you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cold out. Not that we would spend a lot of time out here, but
And it's beautiful out here.
it is. It's absolutely stunning.
This little like courtyard area. The hotel is beautiful.
It is.
Yeah.
It's almost like we're staying at a luxury hotel, but for like a value price.
I know.
I mean,
I don't think it was much more than like a Red Roof Inn in the United
that's
States.
what I mean. That's what I'm saying. It was insanely inexpensive, all things considered.
Yeah.
So I would say if you're coming here, forego staying on property, stay at this joint.
Yeah. And they held our bags. And the guy took us to the room, showed
Yeah.
us exactly where it was, brought
And
our
again,
bags up.
You don't have to tip. So it's like, I felt terrible, right?
Yeah.
Because at home, it's like you would tip $5 for that kind of service, right? But you don't tip here. They just do it.
Yeah.
So this place, 2 thumbs up.
Yeah. And then here's
sure.
like a shot from this side of it. Up in. But yeah, it's a beautiful room. Yeah, and here's the controls next to the bed. And they got a couple USB ports. And it does look like they have like a Japanese plug style there. And then this is a different converter. I forget. I'll put what it is below, but we did buy converters for
That's
this.
the one, I think it's Australia. It's
Yeah,
from
I think it is
as
Australia.
well. Yeah.
This is
Tons.
wild. I've never had this many plugs in a hotel room.
There's ones under the table.
Even more plugs down there. And even more plugs. On the other side of the bed, more controls and a little clock. And on this side, it does have a very nice wood floor. Yeah, and just a huge desk to work at. Then we did get some cute little slippers. Give you a wine opener. Pint glasses to have beers. Mm-hmm. Wild. Crazy. The room numbers are fancy too. Here's the inside. It's very pretty, the hallways and everything too. It's cool too. They got these little outdoor walkways.
Property is beautiful.
Yeah. The landscaping too. Cool, they light it up on the ground.
I can see right across here, that's building 5.
Huh.
So yeah, you can see which building you're staying in.
Yeah, that's neat. Very pretty property.
Look at this.
There's that walkway up there. We do have a little vending machine here that you can get some drinks and water. And you can even get an Ultraman. Here's a little shot of the lobby area where you can sit down and relax. Looks like you can eat in here. That's cool, they got a little Disney store vending machine in here. And it is Chinese New Year. They got a little tree display in here. Here's some of the drinks in here. They also do mixed drinks and wine too.
So we came down to the hotel bar to get a drink, and it's beautiful down here. Actually, it's really quite lovely, and there's a view right out the window of the front, and it's all lit up.
Yeah.
And there's a little fireplace right here. Now it's not lit right now, and it's quite chilly in here, which is why we have our coats on and everything. But the atmosphere is just lovely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just sit here and enjoy a drink and relax for a little bit. Cheers, everybody. Oh, that's good.
Nice. Did you get a Pinot?
No, I don't know what it is. I think it's a Roja.
Huh. And I got a nice Asian.
It's really smooth.
And there's a shot of the fireplace. And the bar to get drinks.